Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. So I just woke up kind of out of it still, but just saw all over the place there is an official Trump meme coin that Trump himself has just launched, and I'm going to put his tweet up here in the corner of the screen. This is his official Twitter. Basically, you know, almost every big central exchange, even medium-sized and small central exchange you could think of, listed the official Trump token today. We're going to talk about this token. We're going to talk about how you can get it. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So January 20th too is coming up. So Trump will be taking office January 20th. And a lot of people are wondering, you know, is crypto going to go crazy on the 19th or the 20th? And then wake up this morning, and it says here that this token, today is January 18th, this token just got listed on basically, you know, almost every big exchange you could think of. But 5 a.m. UTC time this morning, the official Trump token got listed on KCEX Global. And it also got listed on MEXC Global, so two different big central exchanges there. So if you're looking to get this token, first of all, be aware that there has been many Trump tokens come out in the past that have been very popular. There's the very meme ones like Doland Trimp, but there's ones just with the same ticker symbol Trump. So don't get confused with other tokens with similar ticker symbols. So just be aware that they could have the exact same ticker symbols. So some of the central exchanges where the official Trump token got listed this morning, they have different ticker symbols so you don't get confused. For example, if you're going to get this token off KCEX Global, I do have a KCEX Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that KCEX Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and you would search. They have it as Real Trump, all one word, because this is the Real Trump token brought to you by the real Donald Trump. So you would search Real Trump. This is on the Solana blockchain, but you'd use USDT, and then you would trade your USDT for this token on KCEX with the ticker symbol Real Trump. Now on MEXC Global, they have it listed as Trump Official, all one word, is the ticker symbol for this token. You'll see the little emblem. It says fight, 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 and then it's got Trump doing the fist. So you'll be able to see that there. But yeah, it got listed on those two exchanges. It got listed all over the place. You can find this token on SolScan. You can also find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye. I'm sure it's going to be listed very soon on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And I just checked a couple minutes ago, and it says 363,000 holders already, and this token just came out. So it's going to be extremely popular. Now, Trump has come out in the past with his own NFT collection and his own second series of that NFT collection. So yeah, this is how fast this token is going up. Right before this video, I just looked at the holders, and it was 363. Now it's 370,000. So it just got 7,000 more holders like almost immediately. And it is listed already on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. I just checked. And yeah, so the official Twitter is Trump's actual Twitter. There's 6 decimal places on this token. First mint was yesterday, January 17th, so it's hot off the press. 1 billion total supply. It's a deflationary token, so right now the total supply 999,999,976 tokens. Token price right now is $20.37 per token. Market cap $4 billion. Pretty insane. This token came out 11 hours ago, according to Dex Screener. 11 hours, 13 minutes ago. The token pair was created on Radium. Now you can get it off Radium in a decentralized way. They're trending number 5 right now, which is kind of hard to believe that they're trending number 5. Looks like maybe they're trending number 1 also. But basically all Trump tokens are trending across the board here. If you go to Dex Screener, the top 7 tokens all have Trump in the name. So their 24-hour trading volume, $756 million. And right now it's up 3,000%. They have $12.4 million worth of liquidity in in Radium, which is crazy. So their Twitter, if you go to @RealDonaldTrump on Twitter, that's where the web page is also for this token. I was just having a look at it. I think they have like options to buy on the page with like credit card and things like that. And it says here that they have been doing advertising also on Dex Screener. I'm sure there's like some crypto expert who like made this token for Donald Trump, I would assume, because, you know, everything seems to be legit here. Now it says gettrumpmemes.com is the official webpage. So this is a tweet from @RealDonaldTrump. My new official Trump meme is here. It's time to celebrate everything we stand for. Winning. Join my special Trump community. Get your Trump tokens now. Go to gettrumpmemes.com. Have fun. So that's where all the info is. So the official Trump meme, join the Trump community. This is history in the making. Has the contract address on the webpage, and then it says Trump memes are intended to function as an expression of support for and engagement with the ideals, beliefs, and embodiment of or ticker symbol Trump and associated artwork. So they have a big disclaimer there that you could read. Trump, the crypto president, a community celebrating courage and strength. Man, to just post Trump, the crypto president on your own page. I mean, obviously, he's super in favor of crypto. I mean, we could tell by his own meme coin here. I mean, that's amazing, obviously. Maybe he'll buy Canada and make Canada also, we'll have a crypto president. Anyways, Trump is freely tradable on the blockchain on July 13th, 2024. President Trump faced death and came up fighting with his fist in the air in the iconic battle cry, fight, fight, fight. So it says now you can get your piece of history. And then it shows allocation. So it has token allocation on here. 36% goes to creators and CIG Digital. 18% creators digital 2, 18% creators CIG whatever, 10% liquidity, 10% public distribution. A lot of the tokens here go to these creators and CIG Digital. So I mean, yeah, maybe that's why that market cap is so gigantic and the liquidity is a lot smaller. Yeah. So they have frequently asked questions. Is this an official Trump product is the first question. Is this official contract or the symbol? How can I get blah, blah, blah? So yeah, you can check out the frequently asked questions. But yeah, that's basically about it. You can get the token off MEXC Global or CoinEx Global. Links are in the description box down there. You can get it off, you name it, probably everywhere else as well. But those are real easy to click on in the description if you're interested. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. If you are now getting into crypto because of, you know, the new Trump season here. This channel is the place to be. I post all the popular meme coins, normal coins, utility tokens. Post, you know, trending, you name it, all sorts of videos every day about like the most talked about tokens of the day. No opinions, just info. So if you're interested in learning about what's new out there, what's popular out there, this is the place to be. And if you want to help support the channel, you could hit that join button and become a member. And thanks to all the new members and old members who have hit that join button. Appreciate y'all. And yeah, check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.